In this video, we will try to use this GDC to sketch the graph of the inverse function of a particular given function. I'm going to create a random function in y1. Let's say, for example, 2 to the power x and then minus 3. And then in this window setting, I will try to focus on the positive side of the x-axis and the y-axis, which means the first quadrant. And we can see that this would be the corresponding graph of the original function. Then the following will show you how to use this GDC to sketch the corresponding graph of the inverse function. So first of all, let's exit this one, and then press the second button, and then press the program button. And from the first menu, we can see that the 8th option is corresponding to drawing an inverse graph. So we try to click on it. And then we have to specify which function is the original function. Then we are going to press the VARS button, and then go to the second menu, and then the first option. At the beginning, we define y1 to be the original function. So we can try to choose y1, and then enter. Then we can see that here the new blue curve would be the graph of the inverse function. For your reference, when we try to use one more straight line to help us to have a check, I would like to sketch the straight line y equals to x to show more properties related to the inverse function. Once the line y equals to x is here, we can see that the original graph and the graph of the inverse function would be the reflected image of each other. Press the zoom button and then choose the option 5. And then we try to draw the inverse. Then we can see that once we try to adjust the scale and then rotate this picture anti-clockwise for 45 degrees, we will be able to see that those two graphs would be the reflected images of each other.